Okay guys, so as promised, I'm gonna give you guys a little mini haul of all the pieces that I shopped yesterday in my 5K gym set. Yeah, better believe it. If you haven't shopped yet, head on over and check them out. So I'm wearing one of the sets, which is literally the biker short set, and as you can see, this is a free size, by the way, and it fits me. I usually wear a medium or a large. It was tiny, but let me tell you, it snatched the girl. Okay, so this is it in black, and I also got it, guys. I'm not even gonna hide the fupa, but listen, it is snatching right here. Trust me, the material is so comfortable, so stretchy. As I said, I got it in black and green. So this is the mint that I got in the same style here, which is the biker shorts, and this is the back of it. So cute. How gorgeous. How gorgeous. Okay, on to set number 2. So this one I actually, mix and match. So I chose a little blush pink top, and then the bottom is kind of pink, but it kind of has like this magenta look to it. It's also giving the biker shorts vibe, but it's a little longer than the previous one, and it also has the ruching in the back here, as you can see. Love it. So yeah, this one is more on the softer side. It is a ribbed material, and as you can see, it also has the removable pads in the bust area. It's giving a little support. Yeah, it can work, but could have been better. You're going to be up in the gym, you go out with the things, so no little slip or anything. So it's sturdy enough, but yeah, it could have been a little sturdy. Got the green in the top and then a black tights to match. So this is the back, the little ruching here, super cute. And this little mint color, it's a go on, it's a pop. Subtle, soft, nice. So yeah, I love these two. So what's not there to love? What's up? Look at it. Okay, so I'm loving this little print on set number 3, and I only have one number for this set, and it's butter. Listen, soft, it just slid on my body. So with this one, you definitely have to wear something underneath, because it just comes with like a little back cutout. So I kept on the previous top that I had, but yeah, if you're gonna rock this one, you probably need something underneath for support, because it doesn't really give much support in that area. So it's kind of like a little basic top, if you may. So yeah, this one came with full length tight, so this went all the way down to my ankle, guys, all the way. Okay, doesn't do much for the little fupa area, but I'm not complaining. Right, this is why I wear it in the gym. We're gonna get rid of Tina the talking tummy. If you didn't get that reference, girl, you're too young for this channel. But yeah, see guys, that's about it. Run out of breath. I'm just trying to look. You see my hand fit? This is why I need to be in the gym. So guys, that's it for this haul. So glad that you guys love the pieces. If you're lucky enough, you can run over to Shop Fashion in Era and cop these pieces. Gorgeous.